Kaliba Pump Station, which supplies water to Mamba Township and the Mamba Collieries Thermal Power Plant in Sinazongwe District, is experiencing low water levels. The situation is posing water crisis to Mamba community and the mine operations.
Place never gets dry. And we were in fact pumping, that is my old pumping, that's what the pumping arrangement we made 45 years ago. That pumping was happening. So we believed that this won't dry. So we put up this pumping arrangement 6 years ago. It operated properly first 2 years. Then we had a drought in 2017-18. That time we had the same problem. So we had to pump from an alternate point there.
Mamba Collieries Company has placed these drenchers at this spot, a few kilometers from the pump station, as an alternative to looming water crisis. To appreciate the challenges the company is facing, Southern Province Minister Cornelius Mwetwa visited the plant.
There is an emerging emergency in this particular district and in this country, that the water that Mamba Collieries depends upon from the lake to be able to carry out their activities has reached historical all-time low. These are the effects of climate change, for which we as human beings have had a role to play.
The provincial minister is now calling on people in the province to desist from indiscriminate cutting down of trees for charcoal production.
Therefore, as government, we would like to encourage our people, particularly in the southern province, that we must move away from charcoal burning and deforestation, because this is the main source of climate change drivers in this particular area. But in saying this, I'm mindful that some people depend on charcoal burning for their livelihood. The government is coming up with alternatives to ensure that our people can have a living away from these activities that have a bearing on our environment.
Costa Kimudenda, Zanis in Sinazongwe District, Southern Province.